The big question of the day is that what's the actual figure? How much did the nation lose before signing on to the common platform with Kelny JVG? Because in November 14, 2019, at a press briefing, the communications minister stated categorically that the nation lost 300 million Ghana cedis in taxes between 2015 and the first quarter of 2017 due to potential under-declaration, while an estimated 470 million Ghana cedi was saved in taxes between March 2017.
Under-declarations have also been detected from the introduction of the common platform, for we have uncovered that prior to the introduction of this platform, 300 million in taxes were lost from under-declarations between 2015 to the first quarter of 2017. An estimated 470 million in taxes have also been saved between first quarter 2017 to date, in terms of the proper declarations being made by the tax authority, by network operators to the tax authorities.
However, when she was invited to Parliament on Friday, August 7, she said prior to the introduction of the platform, the nation lost 470 million Ghana cedi between 2015 and the first quarter of 2017 due to potential under-declaration, whilst an estimated 300 million Ghana cedi was saved in taxes between the first quarter of 2017. Which of these two figures should we take?
Under-declarations detected. The introduction of the common platform has uncovered that prior to its introduction, 470 million cedis in taxes was lost from potential under-declarations between 2015 to the first quarter of 2017. An estimated 300 million in taxes was saved between the first quarter of 2017 to date as a result of the announcement and actual implementation of the common platform from March 8, 2017.